Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to tag someone in Google Sheets. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. So the first step is to select the cell that you want to tag the person in. Now select Insert, and from this Insert table select Comment. Now here you can type in @ and simply an email address of the person that you want to tag. So type their email address and then simply press enter. Now you can assign it with this checkbox to this particular person and simply click assign. Now this person will get notified. You can share this document with him to be a commenter or even a editor. You can also allow anyone with a link to access if you check this box and choose to be editor. They can even edit this spreadsheet, or you can choose to don't give a access, but I would recommend to share it with at least this guy and give it a commenter. Click on comment, and right now you should see that this is assigned to this person. This is how you can simply tag another person in Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.